Cheugugi, Korea's national treasure rain gauge and historical rainfall records. In 1441, Korea during the Joseon dynasty became one of the first in the world to create a tool for measuring rainfall. This tradition, initiated by King Sejong, continued for over 400 years. The Comprehensive Report on Agricultural Administration from Chungcheong Province between 1837 and 1877 shows that rainfall data from rain gauges was actively used in local harvest reports and decisions on tax reductions. The rain gauge installed in Gongju, where the Chungcheong Provincial Office was located during this period, is known as the rain gauge of the Chungcheong Provincial Office in Gongju, and it is the only remaining original rain gauge. It was designated a national treasure on February 27, 2020. The inscription at the center shows the dimensions, 1 ja and 5 chi in height, and 7 chi in diameter. These match the measurements recorded in the veritable records of King Sejong, indicating that King Sejong's production method continued into the 19th century. Additionally, the base inscription states that local officers Tongil, Gupchang, and Saryang were responsible for rainfall observation, demonstrating that the revived rainfall measurement system was considered important to assign specific officials to the task. In 1911, Yuji Wada, the first chief director of the Meteorological Observatory of the Japanese Government General of Korea, introduced the rain gauge to the West through the world-renowned British scientific journal, Nature. In 1915, the rain gauge of the Chungcheong Provincial Office in Gongju was taken to Japan by Yuji Wada, where it remained for about 50 years. Following discussions in 1969, it was finally returned to Korea in 1971. In 1441, during the 23rd year of King Sejong's reign, Korea developed a quantitative rain measuring device and established an observation network, rarely seen anywhere else in the world at the time. This scientific achievement was more than 200 years ahead of Western Europe. Records of systematic rainfall observation using the rain gauge across all 8 provinces are preserved in the veritable records of the Joseon dynasty and the diaries of the Royal Secretariat, both recognized by UNESCO's Memory of the World. These served as valuable meteorological data for national administration, particularly in agriculture and taxation. This systematically collected rainfall data is an unprecedented record in global meteorological history, proving that Korea was a pioneer in meteorological science.